Hello, future teacher. Welcome to a vibrant exploration of the concepts about print. If you're here because you need to pass your teacher certification exam, you have found the right place. Your exam will require you to know that concepts about print has 4 foundational elements that form the backbone of reading education, which include the understanding that, first, the words on a page are not just marks, they convey meaning. Second, there is a difference between a letter, a word, and a sentence. This is called representation, and it includes identifying word boundaries and understanding punctuation marks like periods, exclamation points, and question marks. Third is directionality, and this is knowing that in English, we read text from left to right and from top to bottom. Test tip: if you get a question on test day about how to assess directionality, look for a response where the student in the question can point to the word that comes next during reading. Fourth is book handling skills, and this is the understanding of how to hold a book correctly, differentiate between the front and back covers, and handle books with care. Now, let's move to teaching concepts about print. The effective instructional strategy to look for is called the shared book experience, and this happens when the teacher uses a big book to introduce the book cover, author, and title, reads with dramatic flair, pauses for predictions, and discusses the story, encouraging students to share their thoughts and favorite parts. And finally, the teacher reread the story later, allowing students to act out parts, enhancing their understanding and engagement. Next, you need to know about the importance of letter recognition, which involves students pointing to letters as you name them, connecting auditory clues to visual symbols. This skill is critical for reading development, as quick and accurate letter recognition sets the stage for effective phonics learning. When it comes to teaching letter recognition, naming, and formation, don't get tripped up on test day. Use these strategies. For teaching letter recognition, use associative learning by linking objects with letters. For teaching letter naming, sing songs, and use books that emphasize letter sounds and shapes. For teaching letter formation, engage in writing practice that includes tactile and kinesthetic activities to reinforce letter shapes and sounds. Moving to our next topic, another heavy hitter on your teacher certification exam, and one you'll want to know well, is the alphabetic principle. This is the understanding that each letter represents a sound, and it's a foundational concept for phonics. This principle helps students make the crucial connection between spoken sounds and written symbols, preparing them for more advanced reading skills. You might be asking how this is all connected, and that would be a great question, because your exam will check your knowledge about the role of writing in reading development. Remember to read your exam closely and identify answer solutions that encourage phonetic spelling, also known as invented spelling, where children approximate the spelling of words. And if you receive a question that goes beyond this information and asks why this is important, well, it's because for young learners, teachers need to foster a sense of confidence in their students' writing abilities. You will absolutely receive questions about adapting instruction for all learners. So remember, for struggling readers, focus on key skills, reteach missing concepts, and use concrete examples. For English learners, build on connections from their first language to English, and for advanced readers, increase instruction pace and extend learning opportunities to keep them challenged and engaged. Incredible job today, colleague. To fully cement these concepts and ensure you're ready for test day, head over to teacherpreps.com. Take our specialized practice test on concepts about print and prepare to pass your teacher certification exam on your next try.